and the first duty is to display the IIT 1 marks. So here uh, I will not again repeat for that which one has submitted, or this way it is also okay, no problem for me, because which one not submitted any of the assignment or quiz. So that is also displayed in front of you, that Yasha has not submitted any assignment or quiz, but in IIT 1 it is 47 marks. All you have performed better. The reason in which way you have displayed: G. Kiran Raghu Babu 49, Ganesh Shastri 43, and I will bring here, so that will be okay. I will be reading fast. Gangawa 48, Gauri 49, Gauri 49. Yes, mouse is here only. Yes, and Girish 49, and Guddu Guddu Kumar 47. Why I have given this red? Because they have seen that my clever student has seen that the sir has not restricted for one response only, so that few students tried again and resubmitted within the time. Anyway, the better one is awarded, but with -1. And Hardik 44, Harsh Dhiman 46, because you can imagine that what you have got in your MCQ, and additionally what you are getting for this function and programs and deep copy, I have already sharing in the class also, so that in deep copy few good students have written the definition but not the example. For that 1 marks were deducted for that in deep copy and copy. So again, Harsh Dhiman 46, for that joining the strings, no, so they have few students cleverly joined only using the join built-in method in the function, but they have not seen the question properly. It was written there must be one string and before last string. So Isha, Ishita, Nikita and Nidhi. So before last string and was to be added, so it was not adding. For that reason, you may guess that what you have missed, and if you want, not want means if you want, no sir, I want to see in front of my classroom my Google form submitted to you. So if you want to see open, I can show you also that. But you have the trust on me. I am liberal in marking. But highest mark I have given only the 9. For 10 marks, highest is 9 only. Later we will see that where this 15, 50 can be given, or anyhow that to whom I have given the 9, so why not the 10 can be awarded, because the one question was the literal question. No, I have checked that. So here Guddu Kumar 47, Hardik 44, Harsh Dhiman 46, Harsh Doot 43, Hila Shashi 45, Hrishikesh 46, Indraja 49, Isha 49, Ishita 48, again Ista Srivastava 45, Jayant 49, Vishnu Vardhan 46, K Abhishek 45, K Sai Nikita 46, and K Subbi Reddy 43, and Kausiki Kamana 49, very nice. Khagendra absent. I have told him so late why you were not submitting. I don't know he has submitted or not. Kiran RB Sajjan 43, Kirti 45, Kirti 45. Okay, and Sai Krishna 42, Kritika 46, Kubham Shreya Reddy 48, Kumud Sally 48, Monisha 48, Aditya 49, Manisha Manikandan 49, Manpreet 49, and Manu Smriti 46, Mehul Sakaria Manu Smriti 49, Manu Smriti 49. It is Manpreet 46, Manu Smriti 49, Mehul Sakaria 45, Mehul Varsne 47, Merin 49, Aman 49, Wasim 46, Ajan 45, Zigar 45, Nimitesh 43, Nidhi 48, Nikhil Kumar Mishra 49, Nikhil P 47, Nikita Swarna 49, Neeraj Sanjay 43, Nitin N 49, Nitin Suraj 39, Nitish Hegde 49, Nitish Hegde 49, Onkar Patra 46, Meera Krishna 48, Niranjan 47, Padmaja 47, P. Srikar Reddy 39, Pragya 45, Prakash 49, Prapti 49, Prashant Kumar 48. Why it is in red color, you know that. And Pratik Dev 47, Pratik Bharuka 44, Pratik Bharuka not submitted any of the assignment. Okay, that will come. Preeti 49, Priscilla 47. Why Priscilla 47? I don't know. Priscilla 47. Avijit, or due to the internal marks, I think MCQ. Avijit PG 47, Monica KS 49, Nag Mohan Reddy 49, Ramya D, my mentee. Why she has performed like that? 22 only. She is having that 22. Vani 37 and Vidya 48. So any of you want that? So to show your answer script means Google form here for your self-evaluation, because the MCQ marks you already know. You want to check that, because I have written here, see in the formula bar. See in the formula bar. So what you have got in the MCQ plus what you have got in that, this 10 marks. This function, one theoretical question, and this one program. So here it is given for each 49. So yes, so they are getting that 40 means full marks in MCQ and 9 marks like that. I will see that this, what is the reason that which of the student are awarded 49. I have just told because the literature is there, no, and example. So just I have kept that in literature or function or program, I am keeping 9 marks the highest. For that reason, nobody is getting 50, but even for all that who have written correctly, and even it is the deep copy or copy, so I will have to differentiate there so that how can award the one more mark for that. We will see that. Just I have kept 1 mark for this literature and rest of your MCQ mark. So that's all. So I am returning to the classroom again. Anyone want to ask something to show your Google form now, or I will continue? Isha?
Sir, please continue.
Okay. So Isha, I have already messaged in the text the breakup, and I will not have to repeat those things what I have written with the smileys, that which one not submitted the quiz 1. I have not pointed, or which have submitted late or very late like that. So darkened by the, here red is darkened and written in the black, that submitted in the quiz 1 on that particular day only. This definition I have already given, and this way your average and others and this IIT and final marks will be computed. But here you can see at a glance that everyone is okay, no problem. In first and second assignment, 1920, 1920 all, that if something is there late or other things that I have seen, but especially for the quiz was conducted in the classroom, which has submitted the quiz late for that reason. Okay. So this we will be, do not worry for the any marks, I will take care of that for everybody. And certainly that 1-2 marks will be different for the regular and good answer scripts, especially because the answer script also having the 40 marks MCQ, so those are your marks only. So here I have kept today for this 3rd module, and if I have done little bit and kept only the 6-7 slides only. So this regular expression, a regular expression earlier you have experienced anywhere in the 5th semester, because Unix is going on, no? Hello Isha, Jayant?
Yes, sir, we have Unix.
Unix is going on. So there
Yes,
also
sir.
regular
Yes, sir.
expression is started.
Yes, sir.
Regular expression there also started to display the, suppose I am asking that to display all the lines from a file that having the contents Agarwal or Agrawal. Getting my
Yes, sir.
point?
Fine.
AGRA or
Yes, sir.
AGAR, WAL. So this way, or Singh or Sinha, in which way, that what are the meta characters, question mark, asterisk, and what are the other regular expressions. So in Python also, we will have to import one RE module, import RE, and we can do the regular expression. In textbook, I am following strictly because the university will be asking from the textbook and your scheme is new. For that, I don't want to leave any of the program of the textbook. And similarly, that how the examiners will give you the question for that, for taking that particular point in the view. So I'm developing the program and sharing with you also. So this type you may be asked whether in IIT or in that. So today we will be seeing that if the regular expression is not there, and you will have to match like the USA phone number, where the USA phone number always having the 3 digits hyphen 3 digits hyphen 3 digits. So how we will check really it is a phone number or not? That is the textbook example. So you will have to write a program whether it is the correct phone number or not. For that, I'm maximizing the slide. So it is given directly code in the book. So that say if you want to find a phone number in a string, you know that the pattern, the 3 numbers, a hyphen, 3 numbers, a hyphen, and then 4 numbers. So this is an example of the USA phone number 415 hyphen. So hyphen is also there, numeric value is also there. There are the 3 digits hyphen, 3 digits hyphen. 3 means integer number hyphen, and then the 4 integer numbers. So they have suggested how we are checking if we are not using the regular expression tricks. So in which way we will have to check first. So just I am scanning the program with you and understanding. So each phone number and text is coming as the phone number. So first they are counting whether they are having the 12 characters in the phone number or not. If it is not, the function from there only it will return false. So first counting the number of characters, then it is counting 0 to 3 for loop. The text I means text of 0, text of 1, text of 2. If it is a decimal integer, for that built-in method is decimal, like your is alpha, is num, is digit, is lnum, like that. Here also built-in method is decimal. So it is whether it is a decimal integer. If it is not, because not is given here, the negation of the truth, so it will be returning false. Now it is taking the fourth character. Text 3 is given means 0, 1, 2, 3. So that particular character number 4 is not equal to hyphen, then also return false. Hyphen is required there in USA phone number. Again checking from this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 to 7 and running the range here 4, 5, 6 means just one before 7. So 6. And again checking if not text I is decimal. Again if these three are not decimal integers, if any of the mismatch will be there from the function, it will be returning false only. Again checking this character 7 means character number 8, the character number 7 means it starts from 0, or 8th character, if it is not hyphen, then again return false. And again checking the last 4 characters, those must be is decimal. So 8, 9, 10, 11. So those are not, if any of the character is not a decimal integer, again return false. If it is not returning false, the last is written return true. Return true where should be written? Not outside of the function, here only. It is within the function only. And they have given what the example to check. So it is checked here is a phone number. It is checking is phone number. It is giving Mosi Mosi is a phone number. No. So you can print and check that whether it is giving true and false. So I'm writing here check output. Check output. So for university objective online or offline exam, you are getting from the regular expression this question. Now, in that basis, I have created one program to check, because the VTU may give, if I am also one of the examiner, chief examiner even, so that whether your USN is entered, whether it is the correct USN of VTU and not of the VTU, whether it is the correct USN of your CMRIT college and not only of the CMRIT college, whether it is the correct USN number of the UG courses under VTU of CMRIT. I repeat the problem definition. Check whether one USN number is of your college of UG degree under VTU. So this way example is given that yes, 1 CR 18 CS 401. So whether it is correct USN number of CMRIT college, we know that 1 CR is our that UG courses. First we are starting from there. Then the last 2 digit of year is there, a calendar year. And then the branch 2 characters are there, CS, IS, EC, TEE, like that. And 4 also is there intentionally I have taken because their USN number starts from for all the lateral entry diploma students. So you can check that your question, in which way I have checked by that logic only. So taking as the USN an argument and first checking that USN having the 10 characters or not. If it is not, then return false from here only. Then checking the first is 1 or not, this integer value 1 is there or not. If it is not, because you are checking not only the CMRIT and USN, you are checking also whether it is the UG USN. So first character you have checked if it is not there. Then these 2 characters, the CR, our college code, and converting them in uppercase, compare from the 1 and 2 just before 3. So character number 1 and 3, not 0. Means second and third character is compared, converting to the uppercase, whether it is the CR. If it is not, then return false. Then it is not used. Here it is giving whether it is the example I have taken. It is not CMRIT UG USN. So for again range from 0 to 3, I am checking that those, it is the decimal digit or not, this 18, 19, what you have given that. So you have checked that, so that USN 35 is decimal. If it is not, return false. So first I have checked whether it is decimal number or not, but it is the last 2 digit of the year. So I have given the 2 more checking. So someone might have given the last 2 digit of the year more than 20, then also it is false. The 2020, so it is okay because this year admission is going on. Their USN number will have this 20 CS or 20 IS or 20 EC. But if it is greater than 20 for this year, it is not true. So that I have taken. First I have taken that those all are decimal integers. Yes, sir. Then we are checking that if it is greater than 2 single digit, just wait. Sorry for that. So checking that the first digit is, if it is greater than 2, so no one can put here the 3, so that is also false. And then if it is greater than whole 2 digits, checking here, converting in integer, the 0, 1, 2, 3, the 4th character, the element number 3 or character number 3, but it starts from 0, converting them integer. If it is greater than 2, then also false. Taking the 2, converting to integers, if it is greater than 20, last 2 digit of the year, then also it is returning false. And then 5 to 6 here, CS. And just I am checking here, it must be alpha. If it is not alphabets, then return false. Here I have not made restriction all the these 17 or 18 branches of UG courses. Just check the alphabet should be there, those 2 characters. Then checking here whether it is range 0 to 3 again for this one. So 7 to 10 is decimal, checking in the for loop, and it should be not less than 0. Yes, it is decimal integer, but it should not be any negative value. Or just I have taken the highest USN number of the last 2 digit. If the lateral entry admissions are more, so up to 499. I have not seen that any of the USN having the last 3 digit greater than 499. So then also return false. And finally, this function, if it is not return within the function from here to here by default it is returning true. Then I am checking the enter the CMRIT USN, and if it is correct, then display yes, it is CMRIT UG course USN. If it is not, no, that particular roll number is not CMRIT UGC. So here, before starting the regular expression, if you are to check any pattern, the character by character format of one USF phone number or of your USN, that may be the guest question of yours for this university and semester end examination. So without using the regular expression, how we will check? For that we are learning. So is there any another way? So that without that, because the topic is given finding patterns of text without using regular expression. So how we can check without using the regular expression? If the Python is having that regular expression, then we are understanding, okay, so Python having then one module, RE module of the regular expression. The detail of documentation directly you can go to the python.org for your reference to all the regular expression. Most of the regular expression we will touch. It is also given that 90% of the regular expression, their meta characters already checked. Grouping, how you are grouping, the square bracket, question mark, asterisk, dot. Mostly they have checked in the book also, but for documentation, the reference is given. It is our also duty to give the reference of the documentation of the particular language, so that you can go there and you can check there whether is the, you can type here the 3.5, you can type here the 3.8 also, because this was given from the 3.5 and there is no change from 3.5 to 3.8 in the regular expression. The regular expression library RE must be imported into your program before you can use it. The simplest use of regular expression library is search function. Okay, but I have not touched today the search or find all function here. Again, making the comment of the USA phone number, the regular expression called regexes also. So we computer programmers are also coming. Have you completed your regex or regexes? Regular expression for short and a description for a pattern of text. For example, one example is shared with you. So if you are searching something and if just you are giving the \D in a regular expression, means you are searching a digit. In a regular expression, it stands for a digit character, that is any single numeral from 0 to 9. The another way is also to write. Later we will come on that, or you might have experienced in the regular expression of Unix that is going on, the square bracket 0-9. So to check a character from 0 to 9, number value, numeric value. And if you are just giving \D, so that is very good regex. Very good regex \D to check that whether this \D it is already standing for the 0 to 9. So we can save the typing of this 3-4 characters, just only \D. So regex \D. It is representing one character and hyphen \D and hyphen. So 3-digit hyphen 3-digit hyphen 4-digit is used by Python to match the same text in the previous phone number. What you have coded, that in one line expression we can check. If it is there, then we can say yes, it is USA phone number, otherwise not. But regular expression can be much more sophisticated. For example, adding a 3 in curly bracket. So if you are giving 3 in curly bracket, so after a pattern is like saying match this pattern 3 times. Match this pattern. So you have given once \D and in curly bracket just you are giving 3, means you will have to match this regular expression which is compiled inside. So that will become compiling in the words of your comparing, that the \D, the decimal integer is repeating 3 times, then hyphen, then again the decimal integer is repeating 3 times. For that we are learning here. So that then curly bracket 3 means what is the significance of that? I will be asking you in the review question. So what is the character? What is the equivalent number? Or what is the regex? So adding a 3 in curly brackets. What is the significance of that? Or matching this pattern 3 times, how we will write? So the slightly shorter regex also match the correct phone number format. Add the regex function here. In Python are the RE module. So enter the following into the, this is not to be written, I have already written. So this is import RE. Now, so how to that regex objects? The regex object search is there. Method searches the string, it is passed for any matches in the regular expression. The search method will return none. If it is not matched, you will have to keep the answer ready for this second IAT MCQ. If search is not matched, then what does it returning? Whether null value, 1 value, 0 value, -1. So it is returning none. And none is having its own data type, none. It is not integer, not character. I think I have asked in the quiz. If the regex pattern is not found in the string, if the pattern is found, the search member will return a match object. What match object it is returning? It will have a group method that will return the actual match text from the searched string. So if you are asking phone number regex, re.compile, and here that you are giving that regular expression for that R, and this is the format. So MO equal to means my mobile or what phone number is this one. So your print phone number found plus MO group. So phone number it is finding here. You are searching here re.compile, and you are searching here that it is grouping that and it is printing that here. So we will go to the next slide now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So review of the regular expression matching. Some of the review, not complete, because the regular expression I will be continuing in the next class also. So while there are several steps to using regular expression in Python, each step is fairly simple. It is not confusing, not complicated anywhere. Import the regex module with import RE. Create a regex object with the re.compile function. Remember to use a raw string. Pass the string you want to search into the regex object search method. This returns a match object. Call the means if you have checked that Dr. P.N. Singh or Dr. Parasnath Singh. So Nath you have searched in Parasnath Singh. So it will returning Parasnath Singh. It returns match object. Call the match objects group method to return a string of the actual match text. If you are grouping using the group, the actual match text will be displayed. So more pattern matching with the regular expression. Yes, we will have to do one more class, but here 2, 3, 4, 5 more examples, and this example is taken directly from the book. So grouping with the parenthesis. The adding parenthesis will create group in the regex. So you are making a group enclosing your regex, including your regular expression, not including, better to say enclosing your regular expression within the parenthesis. So it is making a group. Then you can use the group match object, group built-in method to match object to grab the matching text from just one group. The first set of parentheses is a regex string will be the group, and the second set will be group. By passing the integer 1 or 2 to the group match object method, you can grab different parts of the match. Example is given. Passing 0 or nothing to the group method will return the entire match text. So now phone number you have taken, this one you have created one regex here. So regular expression it is there, and that you have given phone number regular expression. You have given one format fixed, and under parenthesis it is, so MO phone number regex dot search. My phone number is this. So it is not going to display MO dot group. So if you are giving here 1, so where it has the first triple digits are matched. Second time where it is matched. And if you are giving 0 or not giving the argument, all the matched text will be displayed. Okay, we will enjoy executing this thing to the Python also, because I have kept the Python also open. Just enjoy. If you are not with your Python open, we can enjoy here. So to be viewed by okay. So phone number equal to this. What is that? Import RE first. I have not written. Import RE. And then this is from there. And then we are checking that. Okay, MO. You have created that MO. So now when we will display that MO here, MO dot group 1. First see that what is MO first. So it is giving here, it is already matched. So now if you want to display MO dot group, nothing giving here. It is displaying exact what you have made the group here, that whole it is displayed here. Now, but if you want that group wise, so then what we are giving the MO group 1 and MO group 2, it is giving it. So this way you have created, because see that again, see that why in the second time it is displaying both 555 and 4242, because by the parenthesis you have made the group here. Parenthesis is used to make the group, no? So first of the group you have made here by surrounding within the parenthesis, and second group you have taken from here to here. For that reason it is displaying all. Giving 0 or not giving anything, it will display all the matched text. We will go to the next slide. Only 2 slides, one slide will be more.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So if you'd like to retrieve all the groups at once, use the groups method. Use the groups built-in method. Note that plural from the name. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Is it required to be written? Groups. Note that the plural form of the group. Okay. MO dot groups. So directly we are going there also to execute. We are already enjoying that. So if I will writing MO dot groups, so that all the groups will be displayed, what you have surrounded within the parenthesis. And here, that if you are giving only main number, it is given here, main number, area code main number, area code comma main number, MO dot groups. So those two values will be displayed here in the area code main number. The two, because it was given in the two groups, 415 is the area code and these are the actual number. So in those will be displayed, and if you are displaying that what is the area code, it will be displaying, and then what is the main number, and it is displayed here. Fine. So since mo.groups return a tuple of multiple values, yes, that will be IIT question of mine. So MO groups return the tuple, because I will ask here the MO groups return the value separated, okay, separated by comma, whether in list or tuple. The answer is tuple. Okay, tuple of multiple values. You can use the multiple assignment trick to assign each value to a separate variable, as in the previous area code and main number mo.groups line has been done. The parentheses have a special meaning in a regular expression. But what do you do if you need to match a parenthesis in your text? Then sir, I have to match the parenthesis itself. Then you know that, for instance, maybe the phone numbers you are trying to match have the area code set in the parenthesis. In this case, you need to escape the and characters with a backslash. Escape the and characters with a backslash. How to escape that? Anyone please respond? Why this and is written? Why this and? You need to escape the and characters within a slash, escape the and characters. Grouping with the parenthesis. Is escape the and character. Example is given here. To escape the parenthesis itself. Yes, it is. Why? Backslash. We know that the escape, how to escape that character. Escape the and characters with backslash. We are calling it the meta characters. So just the example is given here. So the parenthesis to be printed 415. So I made the escape of there, one extra parenthesis, and here the extra. And before that, this parenthesis already escaped by the escape sequence character. To make the escape sequence character literal, we are proceeding with the backslash. We know that. So this example is given, and matching multiple groups with the pipe. So this one only will be the last concept of today in one or two slide. So the piper is also used. This vertical bar character is called a pipe. We are calling pipe only, so that you can use it anywhere you want to match one of many expression. One of many expression. If you are writing the regular expression, Batman or Tina Fey will match either Batman or Tina Fey. So in regular expression, we can say that this piper, this pipe, the vertical bar is used to match or working with either this one or this one. So when both Batman and Tina Fey occur in the search string, the first occurrence of matching text will be returned as the match text. So hero regex. So Batman, Tina Fey. So we have written here, hero regex search Batman and Tina Fey. So Batman is also there, Tina Fey is also there. So it is in group. And if you are searching Tina Fey and Batman, if it is written Tina Fey, so first match character. So you remember this one for your MCQ, multiple choice question, that if you are using the piper and either of the character will be matched, so where both Batman and Tina Fey occur in the search string, the first occurrence of the matching text will be returned as the matched object, not both, because you have made here the group of regex. So either Batman or Tina Fey. So what is first match, that will be displayed. That's fine. One more. So you can also use the pipe to match one of the several patterns as part of your regex. For example, say you wanted to match any of the string Batman. So here it is written Batmobile, Batcopter, and Bat. Since all these strings start with bat, it would be nice if you could specify that prefix only once. So this can be done with the parenthesis. So here you are searching here bat, and then parenthesis man or mobile or copter. So here the four options you are giving. I think your what the subject, the theory of computation, automata theory is also in 5th semester.
Yes, sir.
Automata
Yes,
theory is
sir.
also there. There
Yes,
also
sir.
you are enjoying the regular expression, no?
Yes, sir. We just started.
Just so that you are aware of this, no?
Yes, sir.
This or that, so that it will be implemented 3 subjects, no problem. So that re.compile or bat, after bat there may be man, mobile or copter, whether it is Batman, Batmobile, Batcopter or Bat. So this will be searching here and Batmobile. And if you are searching the next group, so only mobile. So the method call mo.group returns the full match text. Batmobile, while mo.group 1 returns just the part of the match text inside the first parenthesis group mobile. By using the pipe character and grouping parenthesis, you can specify several alternative patterns you would like your regex to match. If you need to match an actual pipe character, again your question will be Jan, sir, I want to match the backslash itself. Okay, they precede it with the backslash. So I think that we have done for today. So it is already 12:08. So what should be the review question? Review question, you just write the answer of taking one question or two. When taking one question followed by your USN. I am putting here even one question. And here, okay. With example, if you are writing, so fine. So first time writing, use of parenthesis. Use of parenthesis in regex. You will have to write that use and one example. One, you can take any of the student to take and take that question, writing in the chat box, followed by your USN or first USN, writing the answer of that. And it is not like that you are writing wrong or right. Writing will be awarded, not writing will not be awarded. Writing wrong or right will not have make any difference because it is the review question. So one is that, okay. Okay. That is very easy one. I will have to put that. What is returned by? What is returned by? What is returned by search method if match not found? So answer, you know that. Okay. And in case of group match, in case of group match, the matched objects are returned in a what? Tuple or list, you know that. No more question. One more here, that yes, Piper. Anywhere you want to match either of the expression. For example, match one of many expressions. So use of Piper. Use of pipe in regular expression. So today what all of you are doing, any of the question you are taking one question, first writing your USN and writing your what you want to give the answer for that in one sentence or one example directly. I will prefer the sentence you have written that I understand. So your time starts now. The question all four, use of parenthesis in regex, what is returned by search method if match not found. In case of group match, the match objects are returned in a what? Tuple or list. Use of pipe in regular expression. So that it is time to make the attendance. I'm returning in your classroom back, and you are taking the first question number, USN, question number, comment. Fine. And just it is being recorded so that you are making your attendance also, and you are not writing the attendance and leaving. Just tell me once, just wait 1 minute so everybody can leave that. Any of the things, if you want to check it back, so go in the Python prompts or please check this one. So now if you have entered the attendance, now you can leave the meeting. All the best. I love you all. So after 1 minute, I will be first time stopping the sharing, and then I will be making the recording off. If anyone is left, just put your USN. Ishita Srivastav is there today. Ishita Srivastav. Khagendra is there. Khagendra today. Ishita Srivastav, I have asked. I think she has responded in the chat box. Ramya is there. Ramya and Vani. I will be marking you absent if you are not responding. Ramya and Vani. Avijit PG. Abhishek. Vishnuvardhan Reddy. Okay, I'm stopping the recording. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Namaste to your parents.